What's going on, guys? Do It With Disappointment here, and we're going to talk about you guys for a little bit. As you guys know, I got this car for free, and I made the mistake of letting you guys choose what the custom license plate is going to say. That's on me. There has been a lot of submissions, right? But let me go ahead and tell you what the #1 most requested one. Yeah. So the highest one that you guys thumbed up is racist. I shouldn't be surprised, and I'm not. And while that is fucking hilarious, that's a good prank on me, guys. Good one. For various reasons, I'm not doing that. Don't get me wrong. I think it's funny. I think you guys understood the assignment, and you backed me into a corner. Got me. Pranked. There is not enough reasons as to why I'm not gonna do that. The number one reason is the fact that I live in Atlanta, or at least near Atlanta. Race is a hot topic here, obviously. And while I'm a huge supporter of anything for the bit, I'm gonna have to not do that one. I think for 3 main reasons. I'm not racist and I don't want to get shot. So that's a big one. That's a big one. The second one is that I am 99.9% sure that it will not pass through the Georgia's DMV or the DDS service, right? Pretty positive that it's not. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna make it. And finally, I just don't want that on my car. It's one thing to have it as your Fortnite name, you know? That's one thing. This is the real world. This isn't the internet. You guys are fucking assholes. All right, you guys are fucking assholes. Oh, I cannot stand you guys. So, I hate to spoil your fun. I'm probably not gonna even try it. I don't even think that I could go to the teller and be like, this is what I'm thinking. Here's what I'm gonna do for the sake of everybody and consistency and my safety. I skewered the comments as hard as I could. I went through hundreds, if not 1,000 comments to see what you guys said for the license plate frame, and I've narrowed it down to about 18 different submissions that I'm gonna let you guys pick from using a poll chart in the description of this video. So if you want, I'm gonna give you guys like a couple of days, maybe a week before I pull the trigger. Click on that link, it'll be a poll. There'll be all the ones that are listed that had the most likes and that I think are funny and aren't gonna get me stabbed. Dingleberry, DNGLBRY. I think we all know why that one's funny. Do with Dingleberry. And these are going to be subjective to mild changes. Like, let's say that I might have to use some 3s instead of E's, or 4s instead of A's, you know, but the general consensus is there. Red Rocket, Dickhead. I'm not sure if this one will make it through, but it's worth a shot. Small PP. This one works because of PPI, you know, it kind of double entendre there. Real Boy. That one was pretty up there. I think that was the 2nd or 3rd highest ranked besides racist. One of them, oh, real boys. Came late. I like this one. The only reason I don't like it is because on a license plate, it's gonna look like Camel 8. But I do like that idea. Came late, because I'm always late and I'm always coming. Codeye, C-O-D-E-Y-E. Now, if you've been following me for a long time, you know why that one's funny. This is what my dad used to call me as a kid, and it took me until I was like well in my teens to realize that he was actually calling me a dickhead. That's what Codeye means. So I think that one's really good. I would not be mad if that one made it. Dirty Dan, D-R-T-Y-D-A-N, or a variation of it. That one's obviously good. Kinda Gay. I do like this one. I think this one's great. I like Kinda Gay. That's kind of gay. Oh, a Scion TC? Yeah, it's kind of gay. Splooge. That one will probably require some modifying to get it past security, if you will. Oh, Billy. I think this one was the 2nd most ranked behind racist. I think Oh, Billy is a good one. If we get a... Oh, Billy! That's a callback. I like that one. Clibbins. Clibbins was on there. That's kind of like a more new meme. I like that one though. Chitbox, C-H-I-T-B-O-X. I'm not sure if that one will pass if it's not already taken. I like that one though. 1v1 Rust. 1v1 Rust was one I think I came up with. I think that one's funny. It's not gross, you know? This one's a hard one for me to say no to because I really like this one. Feet pics. I think that one, if I could get that one would be fucking hilarious. Feet pics is right up there with Oh Billy and a couple other ones. Idiot, that one was a higher request. I think it was sub 100 likes, but it was up there. ID10T, something like that. And then Foreskin, or Forskn, you know, different variations of foreskin. You know, I think that one's funny too. So those right now are my top 17 or so, top 18. I think racist was on there. I didn't include that. Like I said, the link for the poll is in the description, so you guys get to choose that one. I hope I don't get too much shit for not doing racist. I think we all understand why I'm not gonna do that one. As funny as you guys are, that's a funny one. You guys got me. Haha. Yeah, I am filled with immediate regret in giving you guys the option to do this. However, some of these are going to be funny. Like, I could look at, there's some of them that I think would be really funny, and some of them, on the other hand, that I think I would have a hard time getting in and out of this car for. So, so that is it. Please go to the description and leave a poll. So yeah, that's that. Thank you guys. I fucking hate you. I fucking hate you guys so much. Oh God. Ugh. You guys are real fucking funny. Like, ah ha 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 ha, let's get Dan shot. It's so fucking funny. My least favorite YouTube creator wants to fucking die.